Hello everyone. Today we will explore one of the most fascinating journeys in the telecommunication, the evolution of telecommunication. Communication has always been one of the humanity's biggest needs. Over the last 200 years, we have moved from sending simple text messages over wires to building intelligent AI-powered network that connects billions of people and devices at the same time. Now, in this presentation, we will understand not only how telecom technology evolved, but also why each generation was created, how business models change, and what this means for the future of the industry. Let's begin with simple questions here. Why did telecommunication keep evolving over the time? The answer is very simple here. Every generation solved a problem that previous generation couldn't solve. People wanted communication faster, they did. Then they wanted it to become easier. Later, they wanted reliability. After that, they wanted mobility. And today, they expect intelligent communication powered by AI. So, telecom evolution was not just about new technology, it was about continuously improving the way humans connect with each other. Now, let's look at the journey here. It's all started in 1837 with the telegraph, which allowed people to send text messages using electrical signals. In 1876, the telephone changed everything because people could finally hear each other's voice here. It was magic at that time. During 1980s, 1G introduced mobile communication. Then 2G brought digital voice and SMS. 3G introduced mobile internet. 4G enabled video streaming and modern smartphone application. Today, 5G powers smart cities, IoT, and autonomous systems. And in the future, 6G and AI will make networks intelligent enough to manage themselves. Every generation made communication faster, smarter, and more connected. Now, technology was not the only things that changed in the last 200 years. The telecom business also transformed dramatically with this. Initially, communication was mainly a government service through a postal and telegraph departments. Then landline companies introduced subscription-based services. Later, mobile operators built businesses around voice calls and SMS. As internet use increased, revenue shifted towards broadband and mobile data. Today, telecom companies are becoming digital platform providers. They now offer cloud services, AI solutions, IoT, cybersecurity, and enterprise platform. Now let's understand how mobile technology evolved. 1G was the first mobile generation, but it only supported voice calls using analog technology. 2G introduced digital communications along with SMS. 3G brought internet access to mobile phones. 4G completely transformed smartphones by enabling HD videos, streaming, social media platform, and cloud applications. Today, 5G provides ultra fast speeds, very low delay, and supports millions of connected IoT devices. Each generation didn't replace the previous one overnight. Instead, it solved new customer needs and opened new business opportunities. One interesting change happened in how telecom companies makes money, right? Before it was different and now it was very different. So in the telegraph era, customer paid per message. With landline, companies earn monthly rental fees. Mobile operators generated revenue through voice calls and SMS. Then everything changed with the internet. Today, most telecom revenue comes from the mobile data, enterprise solutions, and cloud computing and IoT services. I'm talking about the telecom communication. This shows that telecom companies have shifted from selling communication to selling digital services here. Now, one lesson history teaches us very important lessons. So those companies that adapt, they survive here. Let's take an example here. So AT&T successfully expanded from landline to mobile and enterprise services. Vodafone move beyond mobile by investing in IoT and digital platforms. Reliance Jio transform India's digital ecosystems with affordable high-speed internet. Nokia changed from making mobile phones to becoming a telecom network equipment company. And Ericsson evolved from telegraph equipment into one of the world's leading 5G technology providers. So lesson is simple here. Technology keeps changing and successful companies change with it. So what's next? What will be comes next? Very interesting, na? So the future of telecom is much more than faster internet. Future networks will become intelligent and autonomous. Artificial intelligence will automatically optimize network performance. 6G will enable holographic communications, digital twins, and seamless satellite connectivity. Telecom companies will increasingly become digital platform providers rather than traditional network operators. The future isn't just about connecting people, it's all about connecting everything. So let's quickly summarize today's learning, what we have learned till now in this presentation. So first is telecommunication has evolved continuously for more than 200 years. Every generation solved a major communication challenge and the business model shifted from government services to digital platforms. Innovation has always been the key competitive advantage. And finally, understanding telecom evolution helps us predict future industry trends. So this history knowledge is essential for anyone who wants to become a good at telecom industry. Because if you are not understanding how it happens, so you won't be able to give the consult, or you won't be able to properly advise to anyone in telecom industry. So it's very important for us to learn what happened and what will happen, right? So thank you for attending these sessions. In next lectures, we will move from this telecom history to understanding how telecom network actually works. There we will explore topics such as mobile networks, SIM cards, radio access networks, core networks, and how a phone call travels from one person to another. Understanding the network architecture will help us building the strong foundation for advanced telecom concepts, right? So thank you for watching these lectures and see you in the next lectures. Happy learning.